Welcome back, guys. So right now we are still organizing our inbox. So right now I want to create a receipt organizer. So we've not been able to organize receipts. So let's do that right away. So I'm going to create filter, of course, and we're going to use as the words to create this receipt organizer. So what we want to do now is we want to find the word receipt. So we want to find the word receipt, of course. So the word receipt will be found, receipts. Okay. I want to find the word that has receipt in it. We want to find the word that has invoice in it. Yes, so we're going to find a word that has invoice in it as well. Invoice. Okay, that has the word invoice in it, and we should have other confirmation as well. Other confirmation. Yes, and we have to label it. So this is its receipt, invoice, under order confirmation. That way we'll be able to gather emails with receipts and invoice and order confirmation. So let's see, let's have one here, and let's go back in time. So it captures receipts from old times as well. So I'm going to go back in time. I'm going to go backward in time, and yeah, I'm going to create filter. So I'm going to create this filter right now. We want it to always keep inboxes and want it to go to a new label called receipts. So I'm going to look for the label called receipts, and I'm going to create that right now. So it goes to the label called receipts, and you should never send receipt to spam, by the way, and you should always mark as important. That is very important as well. Okay, no, you don't need to mark it as important. So all I have to do is that you can categorize it. It could go to promotion and other things, but it's okay. So I'm going to have apply, then I'm going to create this filter right away. So this way, everything that has receipt in it goes to this receipt label. So right now, let's have receipt label, and then try to change label color. So the label color will be changed to something like this. I think something like that is okay. So I'm going to have that right now. So let me come to receipts. So when I come to receipt right here, I see everything that has receipt. So this now is one of the documents that has receipt in it, and that is how to go about having every 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 of my inbox that has receipt in it either has gone to receipt, of course. So that's how to go about receipt. So let's see receipts right now. So let's see how many of these messages has receipt in it. So we all know this has invoice. Yes, this has invoice. So let's do that again. So some of these things didn't go to where it should go to. So let's do the filter again. So I'm going to, for the word receipt, invoice, and let's create the filter. So it's going to skip inbox and it's going to go to receipts, of course. Then we're going to, it should never be sent to spam. Then we're going to create our filter right now. So let's create the filter right away. So let's see newsletter. Some of it went to newsletter, and let's see receipt right now. So basically, some of it has gone to newsletter. That's what it means. And we have some of it going to documents, of course, and that is it right there. So we have receipt, we have newsletter. So we are going to, I think the words are, let's do something like this. So let's come back here and say, let's start choosing the words one by one. So it's going to start with receipt, of course. So let's look for the word receipt, and let's say create filter. Yes, so we're going to create filter. Of course, most receipts will have attachments, I guess. So we're going to add that as well. Then we're going to create the filter for it. So let's see, you skip inbox, then you go to label, you go to receipt, of course. So let's see, so you go to receipt. So let's create that filter, for instance, and that has just been created. So let's see what we have here. So that is one. So let's look for invoice as well. Let's look for the filter invoice. So we're going to look for invoice as well. Invoice. Okay, so there we are, and it has attachment, of course. So I'm going to create filter, and I'm going to create it. I would say skip inbox, also apply filter, goes to the label receipt. Yes, it goes to the label. So you have to choose those words one by one, not all together. So it has to go to this receipt. So it should never be sent to spam. I'm going to create that filter right now, and I'm going to have those in receipt, as you could see. So that's one of those things. Another thing we could do, so we need to check for more. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to look for the one that has the word order confirmation. So we've done receipt, invoice, now order confirmation. So now we're going to have the one that has attachment, and we're going to create this. So it's going to skip the inbox, of course, and we're going to have the label. So we're going to have this message goes to receipt, and we're going to have this, so it should never be sent to spam. Then we're going to create this right now. So let's look at what we have. So when we come to receipt, we have everything that has to do with receipt right here. So that's how to go about this right now. So we have this, and we have them as documents, we have them as receipts. So you could check them out one by one and see what it's going to be about. So that is how to go about having all these. So we're going to still come back to treating all these one by one. Inboxes have over 1,000 inboxes. Well, that will be for another time. So let's have the inbox review. So right now we've created the receipt organizer. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.